Greetings and welcome back to the channel. Many of my contacts ask me, I want to post on YouTube once and it appears on all my social media. Well, everyone, I just have the free service to do that. Today we're going to be looking at IFTTT. It's a little tongue twister, but bear with me. It's an automation tool for your business and home. Save time and get more done. So please like, share, and subscribe. And reach out to us in the comment section for any help, tips, and suggestions. So before we start, letting everyone know I'm using the dummy account, the dummy business account. So if you see any passwords, I don't care about them. I'm not getting hacked because it's all dummy. Let's get started. Go ahead, continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple will suffice. Don't worry about the device. Automate my business. Not now. Skip. Continue. And let's go ahead and create an applet. So how this works, you have your source and your destination. Your source is going to be this public video uploaded by you on YouTube. And the destination is going to be Facebook and Slack. Give it permission to add our YouTube. And then that. Let us give it permission to go to our Facebook pages. Go ahead, connect. And then write out our message. Create that action. Then we go ahead and continue. Then we receive the notifications when the applet runs. Now let's go ahead and create another applet. On the free tier, we have a max of 2 applets. Let's use them wisely. But for this tutorial, create that trigger, then our destination, Slack. For all your followers on Slack. So that while they're communicating, they could get a notification from IFTTT and they can immediately watch your new videos. So ingredients, they're the metadata, they're the features on your video. So your title, that's your video title. Your URL, that's your URL link for people to watch that video. Not much to it. Go ahead and create that action. And you finish. So each of these connections are known as applets. We have 2 so far. You see, if you try to create a third, then it's going to tell us we've reached our limit. So now let's go ahead and upload a video. All right. We say done. It's going to be a short video, so I shouldn't have to wait too long on this. Make sure it's public, and then publish for the whole world to see. So now, the moment of truth. Will it appear on Facebook and Slack? And is this a tool worth using? Let's wait and find out. Lo and behold, this is our video on Facebook for all of our followers to see. And for our community, this is our video. So it's going to do wonders for your social media. So let's check out the pricing. Go Pro to get 20 applets. And then it's $29 billed annually. And then even though we don't see it right now, there's another tier that's billed $60 for the whole year. That will allow you to have unlimited applets. So you can post once and never worry about posting again. So thanks everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and reach out to us in the comments for any help, tips, and suggestions.